Teacher Lorie again. Welcome back to my classroom. And for today's reading lesson, we will read In Family. Help me name the picture that you will see on the screen. Here's the first one. Bean, fin, tin, pin, and win. It's your turn to name the picture that you will see on the screen. Here's the first one. Great. Next one. Good job. Third one is. Very good. Next. Great. And here's the last one. Let's win. Blending time. Remember, we will read in words. Here's the first one. Bean. What's the first sound? B. That's letter B. Let's blend the sound. B, B, in, pin. Next one is fin, fin, fin of the fish. Fin, letter F. Let's blend the sound. In, fin. Next word, tin, tin. What letter? That's letter T. Let's blend the sounds. T, in, tin. Next one is pin. P, P. Got it. Letter P. P, in, pin. And the last one is win. W, that's letter W. W, W, in. Let's blend the sounds. W, in, win. More practice using our Flipbook. Try to blend the words or the sounds with Teacher Lorie. B, in, what's the word? Bin. In, tell me the word. Fin. T, in, say the word. That's right, tin. P, in, what's the word? Pin. And the last one is W, in, read the word, win. Last part, read the word that you will see on the screen by yourself. Try your best again. Here's the first one. Bean. Great job. Next one is. You got it. Next one. Good job. And here's the next one. Whoa. And the last one is. Perfect. have cheer for you. I call it cowboy cheer. You ready? Yeah!